Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you the 5 best Outlook alternatives for email and calendar. First is Gmail with Google Calendar. It is fast, reliable and easy to use. You get great spam protection, quick search and smooth sync on all devices. Next is Thunderbird. This is a free desktop email app. It supports multiple accounts, custom add-on and includes a built-in calendar. Third is Apple Mail with Apple Calendar. It is perfect for Apple users. The design is clean, secure, and works smoothly across iPhone, iPad, and Macs. Fourth is Zoho Mail. It is great for business and has no ads. You get Gmail, calendar, tasks, and team scheduling in one place. Last is Proton Mail with Proton Calendar. This is the best choice for privacy. Everything is end-to-end encrypted to keep your data secure. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.